Alright guys, welcome back to day 2 of the behind the scenes for Feet of Death. So we are still in the pre-production phases. You can see right here I am testing out this air cannon that I actually made for a previous film I worked on, because we do have some explosions in this movie. So that was the manual release test, just to kind of make sure that there was a proof of concept. That right there was the trigger test to see if I could do it with a remote trigger, but I am having to stay connected to AC power. The concept's actually not bad, but unfortunately, in the end, I didn't think that it was a big enough explosion, and I was gonna have to do VFX on top of it, and I was really wanting to minimize the amount of VFX I'm having to do, so we actually ended up using pyrotechnics in the end, which I think turned out way, way better. Stay tuned and you'll see those results in a later video. Ashley, give me smiles.
What?
Look at me and smile. Ashley is doing her math, trying to figure out if she added up correctly. And were you way off?
I was texting actually.
Oh, okay. So this is by far the biggest Costco run we've ever done, and this isn't even everything. I don't think I've ever spent, oh my gosh, over $600 at Costco before. Easily 2 or 3, but never 6. Alright guys, it is 2 days before filming, 1 day before set decking, and I am testing out this all powers battery bank, and I wanted to put it through its paces to see. So I got all 3 of my 1x1 LED panels, as well as my CFL thing that has a softbox on it normally, all plugged into here, and we currently have 5 hours and 38 minutes of runtime. Now what's crazy is if I turn off the CFLs, because these are pure LED, we now are going way up because our wattage goes down to 64 watts going out. So that gives us a total of 13 hours and 28 minutes of runtime. So I could have these guys running on set all day without having to ever turn them off. And even if we shot a full 12-hour day, I would not drain this battery down. And that is going to be invaluable because a lot of our shoot is going to be exteriors in the forest, near waterfalls and things where we just don't have any power. And I would hate to have to bring out my little Honda generator, worry about gas, worry about noise. Having something silent like this to power lights that don't have built-in batteries, or if I'm running low on batteries, because these panels do run on NPF batteries, but I've only got a handful of them, and actually my Black Magic uses the same NPF batteries, so I want to save as many of them as I can for the camera battery life. So being able to run all of my lights, both my LEDs and my CFLs and whatnot, all off of this one all powers battery bank, is gonna be so nice. Not to mention, I also have a 400 watt solar panel. So if we're in an area where we have sun, I could literally plug that in, and I bet you that would negate all of the power that we're draining from these panels. So I'm very excited to get on set and test these bad boys out, but I am pleasantly surprised so far with how well it's going. Just a little wardrobe prop test that I was doing a few days before. Stay tuned guys, because we do have many more of these behind the scenes videos coming, and they will only get more interesting and fun as we get on set and start filming. If you want to watch the film, it is out now. Click that link, you can go watch the full film. So until next time guys, stay positive, get out there, life is an adventure, so make some memories.